So Thomasin Shaw, Kellara, Law, Arthur, Nena Kumanish, Eliza Doolittle, comes to Thatu.
Goma.
Like a pro. How are you?
Very well, thanks. How are you?
I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me.
Question for you. I saw you at Oxygen. And at that stage, you were kind of on the cusp of taking off, and then just after you left, you took off. So have you noticed since summer and now, and you're getting a lot of love on the radio over here particularly, have you noticed the kind of difference in like the attention on you and for you and all that?
Do you know what? I've been away for about a month now doing European promotion.
Okay.
And before I went away, I kind of felt pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Since I've been back, every time I come back for a couple of days or so, it's kind of, I've noticed a little bit more people recognising me.
His head's kind of turning, oh hey!
It's a bit weird. I find it crazy, but I still feel pretty normal.
But here, listen, the self-titled debut album is playing a blinder. Are you whopper busy, or are you kind of getting a chance to sit back and enjoy, take it in?
I have no time to take it in, which is maybe a good thing. I'm
Possibly.
taking each moment as it comes. Very busy, but loving it.
I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me.
You're very busy and important. You got to go do your thing. Eliza Doolittle, give me one right here. Mwah. It's been a pleasure. Oh, twice. How they do in London? Be good. Bye, love. Bye. Hello. Tommy on a wire. Fab comes to Thatu. Cian comes to Thatu, and we'll take him off. Lads, first of all, you have this wonderful glow that says you've been away somewhere exotic and wonderful. Where for?
LA, but we've also been to makeup this morning, so.
Oh, well, it is a bit of makeup is fine, you know, yeah.
They drew on every one of these for Nikki.
It's a long
They're
time.
not real.
It's a new thing.
Oh, implants, like. I hear talk of a new album, and that's where you were.
Yeah, we were recording. We did 3 weeks in London, and then we did a week off, and then we did 10 days in LA, and then we've got this week at home, and then we've got another week in London to finalise things. We've been working with John Shanks, and we've got our brand new single out of it, which is going to be going to radio really soon. It's called Safe.
Safe, good stuff.
It's lovely. It's a nice kind of rock ballad.
Excuse the uninitiated, but why does one go from Ireland to London to LA to record one album? Why not just plonk yourselves in a lovely log cabin and record it in the same spot?
Diva. No, I'm just kidding. Actually,
She wanted to be at home.
he's from LA. He has a family, and we're here, and we've kind of got business to take care of. So we've kind of done half in his kind of territory, and then half over our side of the world.
Guramila Mahag, we have a fantastic gig. It's going to be very interesting. Cuig Ard Cuig. Ard Cuig. Peace out. Shiakonamok. Slán, lads, have a great one. Hello, it's the Script. Hello, Script. Let's take a moment to appreciate, through the very powerful medium of silence, your new album, Science and Faith. Mighty stuff, I have to say, lads. Thank you.
That's some of the best songs I've heard.
Drinking on cheap bottles of wine, sit talking up all night.
I was at the launch, but I didn't get to talk to you properly.
Yeah.
It's fantastic, and you should be really proud,
Thank
and
you
it's
very much.
genuinely
You like the
brilliant. We do. It's kind of maybe fuller. Is that a good word for it? A fuller sound or something?
Step it up a little bit, it's a little bit more.
Not that it's better. It's definitely different.
Yeah, and we're learning.
Equally fantastic, but also brilliant. How about that?
I like it. We're learning an awful lot as far as production and writing goes as well. And I suppose the first album, it's the one where we're, learning all the different things about putting a full album out. And then now we kind of go, oh well, we could do a few more tricks here, and I think we managed to do it on this one. Yeah.
Just now got the feeling that we're meeting for the first time.
Got your whole life to write the first album and 6 months to write the second. Was it like, oh, and now we're being driven?
4 months. We did it in 4. Yeah, I'll name that album in 4 months. No, to be honest, we found the first album was the difficult one to write, trying to find a sound that's actually gonna, try and get you out there that you can be proud of. And once we found that, actually the second album was just a continuation. I think if you play them back to back, you can kind of go, yeah, it's totally. It's just like, the lads after 2 years getting back in the studio and continue on where they left off.
She's in line at the door with her head held high. Well, I just lost my job, but didn't lose my pride.
Just for those at home, Owen has actually transcribed We Cry and The Man Who Can't Be Moved into Irish. I actually have him singing it in Irish as well.
And one day you're going to sing them. You're going to actually sit down and learn the
I'll
words.
wake up and find.
Let's have a group hook to end it off.
Oh, yeah, go on.
I love you guys. Peace and harmony. Go safe, go well.
Drinking on cheap bottles of wine, sit talking up all night, doing things we haven't for a while, yeah. Smiling but we're close to tears, even after all these years. We just now got the feeling that we're meeting for the first time.